What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed the chopped salad that SPY gave us today, but we are in an amazing spot right now. Let me show you what is next with SPY. We have some series of resistance going on, guys. We have 1, 2, 3, and this would be the fourth time we hit this downtrend resistance, guys. But usually, you know what we've talked about in the 4, right? It's like tequila, guys. 1, 2, 3, floor. So that means either we're gonna take off or we're gonna come down, guys. Which one do you think it's gonna be? Now let me paint you a nice picture here, guys. We do have lower highs all the way down, and we do have lower lows. Okay, now remember, we've been in a downtrend for a while, so either the market is going to figure it out and say, hey, we're going back up, and we don't need news for this, guys. We just need a nice bounce from one of these lower lows, guys. Okay, we need a nice bounce. So let me change this up so you guys can see what a support line looks like. And so here we go. Yellow is our support, red's our resistance, and we have a decision to make because we have this gap right in here that SPY has to figure out. Is it going to go down or is it going to take off? So we have more to see. And tomorrow, I already see us declining, but we are doing the full cycle of decline on the 30-minute in the after hours, guys. The after hours is showing that we might bounce in the morning and we might take off from here. If I add a regression channel to this, guys, we're looking at a nice deviation going on right here. We tried here, we couldn't get out, but off of this regression channel, we might see a little hope, guys. I would love for us to get back up here. As a matter of fact, in the last video, guys, I talked about 609, I talked about 603, but we need to conquer this whole area with the 596 and the 599 area, okay? So this, to me, is still looking hopeful for a bull run, guys. And last but not least, guys, we can go over and look at Elliott wave theory. And I'm just going to make this very simple for you. We are in a wedge pattern, okay? So this is easy for them to take this bottom, which was a deviation, and then pop back out. Or we're going to come right back down here and test again in this 580 area. So what are you going to buy tomorrow, guys? Leave it in the comments below. I want to know. All right, and we have VIX, guys. Something worth mentioning is that VIX is currently turning green, guys. I have these momentum candles and check it out, they're building momentum. So I'm just waiting for that call signal. If I get a call signal here from VIX tomorrow, then I know we're going to start headed upwards. So that means I'm going to start shorting SPY for at least the same time this went up the last couple of times. So I'm going to measure the amount of time it went up and the amount of time that it stayed up in these highs, guys. But check that out, we do have a small sign that we can fall in the morning. And before I leave, guys, I thought I'd give you another swing, guys. Check that out. We have a put signal and it came out right after we had this sell signal. So remember the way I use my dominator indicator is I get my sell signal, and when the put pops out, I am in, guys. So this has developed and I entered this today. If you want to enter it, follow me. Make sure you do it on paper so that you can understand what's going on and you don't have to worry. But if you trust this chart, guys, okay, just know we have the 4-hour put, and now I am waiting for the daily put signal, because when I get it, I know it's going to be a nice drop, guys, and I'm going to stay in that trade if I see that signal come out. Now, as a reminder, guys, okay, you can come join the bull ring and watch us trade live. You can watch the charts that we put up in the room, guys, okay? And you'll be able to talk to a lot of great traders. And for now, guys, if you are getting value out of these videos, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the notification so you know when the next video is coming out, and don't forget to subscribe so that you do get all those reminders, guys. We'll see you tomorrow, and hopefully you are green.